Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the camera settings in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening settings. In here, navigate to controls. Look for battle camera. Here you can toggle camera vertical distant adjustment on or off. You can click on this question mark to open up the tooltip. This reads, when moving the camera up and down, the distance from the hero is automatically adjusted to ensure clear field of view. I will toggle this on. Moving on, we have camera alignment during non-combat. We can turn it off, go with slow, turn it to normal, or turn it to fast. I'll set it to normal. The last thing you can change regarding the camera settings is the combat camera shake, which you can toggle on or off. Once you are done adjusting those, simply press the back button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.